I'm Don Hansen, Chief Executive Officer of Regents Capital Corporation. And Regents Capital is an equipment finance company that works with businesses nationwide to provide equipment finance solutions. Regents Capital has built Salesforce as the center of its technology infrastructure. The challenges that we face with Salesforce is we have big ideas. We need to implement those big ideas, and we need the right technical team with the right expertise to translate our vision into a working reality. And that's how we developed a strong relationship with DemandBlue, as we found that they were the professionals to help deliver those results. The on-demand model allows us to reach out to a talented team of technical professionals who know exactly what they need to do to deliver the solutions that we have in mind. All of the solutions that we had asked DemandBlue to provide for us were delivered quickly at a high level of quality as well. The value of DemandBlue for Regents Capital is having a deep bench of technical professionals ready when you are to implement any project, big or small, whether it's the smallest of reporting needs all the way through the development of a custom object that interfaces in a variety of ways with Salesforce. You'll know that you can articulate it to your customer success manager. They'll deliver it to their team, and quickly and responsibly, with a high level of quality, DemandBlue will return exactly what we were looking for, on time and on budget. I've already recommended DemandBlue. Their ability to deliver results, the technical team that they have at their disposal, and their understanding of your business and your business needs has been unmatched by any other consultant that I've worked with. Not only have I had a great success with them, I've already heard from other executives that I've recommended DemandBlue to that they're having similar levels of success and them delivering solid results for their organization as well.